Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video we are going to talk about the identifier type of operator that exists inside of the Power Platform. Now this operator, we're only really talking or discussing about this single quote and this single quote, and then there's going to be some dynamic text in between. Now, where is this used? This is used when you are referencing a column in a data set. So what we're going to do, and you could follow along with this, so go ahead and choose Add Data. Now, the assumption here is you've gone through the very first video and you have a developer environment, because you do need access to Dataverse. And a developer environment will give you access to Dataverse. However, if you're just using your regular work licensing and you don't have a premium license, you're not going to be able to follow along. So make sure you do get yourself a developer environment, or make sure you have a premium license so you can follow along. So out of the box, there are several tables that are available to you in Dataverse, one of them being this contacts data set or table. And so with this being said, I am going to remove the information out of here, and what I'm going to do is start typing in the name for the database that I have here. So what we want to do is, let's do something like first contacts. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm saying give me the address. We haven't covered the first function yet, but we're just saying I want out of this table, just give me the first row in that table of the contacts. And you see down here over here we have something called record, okay? So here's where the context comes in for what we're talking about, where we've got this dot, or single quote, or an apostrophe. And so if we use the dot notation, we can see where I have spaces in my column names. Okay, so here's a great one, because we have address dot one slash or colon city. See, all of this is the label for the column as it's bound, okay? And so that's what we're talking about, the identifier operator. That's this quote and this quote, and then the value in between. So usually it comes from IntelliSense, which is what you saw me do, but you could type it in manually, assuming you put it in exactly as it needs to be. So I usually just use IntelliSense. Okay, so that's it for this video. There's no mystery behind this. The identifier is a single quote, and you use it in context when you're referencing column names with spaces. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.